This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording resolution on this drone. So to start, make sure to put your camera into the video shooting mode, either by tapping at the or pressing the remote controller button, or you can also do that by opening this menu there. This menu here rather, and selecting the video mode. Now switch the camera to Pro mode from automatic, or actually you can do that in the automatic mode too. You don't even have to select the camera Pro mode. Simply in automatic mode, tap over here, and now you can switch your video recording resolution between Full HD 1080p and 4K, or while in the Pro mode, you can also just tap anywhere on the options, then select the first section, that is preferences, and here also switch between resolution of Full HD and 4K. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.